This dog had to pretend to be sick every day because his little owner dreamed of becoming a great doctor. Every day she would make him her patient and treat him using new and creative methods. Her father also supported her dream and built different medical machines for her out of cardboard. The dog happily became part of this game and let the little doctor treat him. Sometimes he would even become a nurse and help her during the checkups. For now it was all just a playful game, but this dog was a special part of her beautiful dream of becoming a doctor, a dream that will surely come true one day.